Okay. Now we are discussing about the color. See, we saw position, we saw the covariance, which is determining the shape, size, and the orientation. And we also saw the opacity, which is determining the transparency of 3D Gaussian. Now, one more very important parameter is the color. Now, while dealing with 3D Gaussian, we will not be using RGB color. Like, why RGB alone is not enough? So what's the problem that if we just use RGB, what challenges we will face? Let us see that. See, the if we talk about the red, green, blue, the RGB assumptions and flaws. See, the idea is that if you use a simple RGB, then what will happen is that from all the directions it will look same. So simple RGB, it assumes that a point has the same color from all the viewing angles, like constant color. So simple RGB, it assumes the color to be constant. Color to be constant means for a pixel, whatever the color, it has to be same if we look it from any angle. But we know that in real world, it does not like that. It is not like that, because in real world, we have glossy surfaces like specular highlights, reflections, Fresnel effects, and glossy materials. And in real world, for a same point, if we look it from different angles, the color it changes. So that's why RGB is not a good choice to represent colors of a 3D Gaussian, because 3D Gaussian, it will represent a real scene. And since it will represent a real scene, it has to take care of the lighting conditions. And the solution for that is direction dependent color. The solution for that is direction dependent color. So direction dependent color means now the color will no longer be constant, rather color will depend on the view direction. The color will depend on the view direction. The color will be the function of the view direction. So if we look it from a direction, its value will be something else. If we look it from any other direction, its value will be something else. So if we talk about an example, if we talk about a shiny car, it looks bright from one angle and it looks dark from another angle. So the same point from different angles, it's like a function of the direction. And that is called as direction dependent color.